What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive and refined sports coupes out there, the brand new 2026 BMW M4, finished in a sleek black that makes it look like a predator on the prowl. Whether you're a BMW fanatic or just a fan of high-performance luxury cars, this one's gonna catch your attention. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the black paint on this 2026 M4 makes a bold statement. It's not just any black, it's deep, glossy, and gives the car a stealthy, intimidating vibe. The front fascia keeps the signature oversized kidney grills, but with a more sculpted and aerodynamic design for 2026. The LED headlights are slimmer and meaner, giving the front end a laser-focused stare. Along the side, the carbon fiber mirror caps an aggressive side skirt screen performance, while the new 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels fill out the arches perfectly. Around back, you've got quad exhaust tips, a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and a subtle trunk lip spoiler that adds to the downforce. This car looks like it's doing 100 standing still. Step inside, and BMW keeps things ultra-modern yet driver-focused. The black-on-black theme continues, with carbon fiber trims, M Sport seats wrapped in merino leather, and ambient lighting that sets the mood just right. The curved digital display spans across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sleek screen. The new iDrive 9 system is faster and more intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a banging Harman Kardon sound system. Everything feels premium, from the stitching on the dash to the tactile feedback of the M buttons on the steering wheel. It's a cockpit built for speed but luxurious enough for a daily commute. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 doesn't hold back. You're looking at a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six that delivers a jaw-dropping 525 horsepower in the Competition xDrive model. That power goes through an 8-speed automatic transmission and launches this beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. The xDrive all-wheel drive system offers insane grip, but you can still send all the power to the rear if you want that classic tail-happy BMW feel. The adaptive M suspension and chassis tuning make it razor-sharp in the corners, but surprisingly comfortable on regular roads. BMW has also fine-tuned the exhaust system, so you get that perfect mix of deep growls and high-rev screams that'll make your heart race every time you tap the throttle. Now for the part that might sting a little, the price. The 2026 BMW M4 starts around $80,000 for the base model, but if you want the fully loaded Competition xDrive with all the performance and luxury goodies, you're easily looking at $95,000 or more. Add on some carbon fiber packages or exclusive options, and it could cross the $100,000 mark. But honestly, for the tech, the power, the luxury, and the iconic M experience, it might just be worth every penny if you're serious about performance driving. So, that's the 2026 BMW M4 in black, bold looks, cutting-edge tech, and pure power. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Let me know in the comments if you'd pick this over something like an Audi RS5 or a Mercedes-AMG C63. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. Catch you in the next one. Drive safe, and drive fast.